Hi guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with you the other two packages that I had received from Hermes and Louis Vuitton. Like from the previous video that I had uploaded a couple of days ago, I mentioned to you that I will do a separate unboxings about that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anne. I've been collecting luxury items since October of 2018. And since then, I already have a small collections. If you wanted to see that, I will link in the description below. Also, if you like videos about reviews, what fits in a bag, unboxings, and things like that, please like and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button for you to be notified of my upcoming videos. So, without further ado, let's start this video. Okay guys, so I have two boxes here. This one is from Hermes and the other one is from LV. So both these items are hard to get items from both fashion house. This one from LV, I've been stalking the website like couple of times only, but whenever I stalk the website and I wanted to get a hard to get item, I always log in on my profile because all my credit card information is already there. So this item, if you check the website, usually it says item not available, please check back soon. So one night I was scanning the website, checking this one out. It is one item that is on my wish list, so I just checked my wish list availability and then I saw it add to bag and then I immediately check out. I was happy that it was delivered to me. Why? Because LV tends to email you sometimes like 1 to 2 days, that even if they send you an email that your order was successful and was placed, they could still email you that sorry, your order was canceled because the item is not in stock. So it happened to me before. LV did that to me already. So I was just happy that my transaction went through. Okay, that's the story for that. On the other hand, this item here from Hermes is also considered as a very hard to get item. If you go to their website and type this out, this item on the search bar, sometimes you will see, not sometimes, but most of the time, you will see item not found. If you see this item on the website and in this combo, in this combination, you literally have to have a fast finger for you to check out. Because even if you put this to cart and check out, sometimes it will say item not in stock. So what I did was that one day I asked my SA if he had if I just literally asked him, oh, so how's the store, how are you, when the store is gonna open? And he said, oh, please call me back. And then I called him and he said that the store is only offering a curbside pickup. So what do you have in mind? What are you planning to get? And then I texted him the picture of this item, and then he said, okay, so I will check back to you on Friday because I'm working on that day and I will let you know. Friday came, he called me and then he said that the item is available for you. He ran my credit card and then he shipped it out to me. So that's what happened for these two hard to get items. Let's open these boxes. Alright guys, so now you know that what I got was a key pouch in Damier Ebene print. First impression is that I've noticed right away that the canvas itself is more softer and thinner. So the canvas is softer and thinner to the point that it makes the product flimsy. Yep, and also there is a significant gap between the canvas and the zipper. I hope you could see it, but if you will see right here, there's a significant gap, almost a hole already between the canvas and the zipper. The zipper though, because the canvas is flimsy and there's a hole or a gap in here, I tend to hold the zipper at the very end and zip up this pouch. But the canvas itself was stitched up symmetrically. So if you will see, light brown to light brown, dark brown to dark brown. So it is symmetrical all throughout. Okay, so in terms of hardware, it is in gold hardware. The zipper pull has an LV embossed on the zipper pull, both sides, and the chain is not so significant in weight, but the clasp though has a significant weight on it with the LV embossed at the bottom. Other than that, I love the Damier Ebene print. It's such a classic print from Louis Vuitton. It's not an out loud Louis Vuitton in your face. It's very discreet, a very classic print. In terms of their bags, you can wear any clothes or any attire with this kind of print. And also, I bought this key pouch also because I wanted to put this and use it as a keychain for my Speedy B25. I think it will be more functional and looks chic using it on the outside of the bag. I think you could also use it on a bigger size Speedies or any Damier Ebene print bags, but I think it's more like functional and looks more chic pairing them together. I also have another Damier Ebene print bag, which is the Never Full. Here, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. There you go. So you could use it also as a keychain or a bag charm, more functional and accessible whenever I need to reach something like cards or whatever that I don't need to dig into my bag. Alright guys, so I also made this look for my Speedy B25. I put together the Damier Ebene key pouch and the LV Fleur de Monogram keychain together. So let me know in the comments below if they look busy all together or it's just right or it's just okay. So this is the second package that I wanted to share with you all. This package is from Hermes. This item in here is one of the most hard to get items, and they've been selling this item for a premium price. So I wanted to share it with you all, and let's see what is inside. Guys, so this is the Rodeo Charm PM size in Nor, meaning the color combination is all in black color. This is one of the hard to get combination in a Rodeo Charm. For you to place a telephone order through an Hermes SA, you have to have an active Hermes profile. For you to do that, you need to purchase an item from an Hermes store. So I've done that before. I bought some twillies, scarves. I also bought what's this? The Evelyn crossbody bag that I bought online, but I pick it up in the flagship store in Madison. I have an active profile with them, so the SA just reconfirmed my credit card number and all that stuff, verified my identity, and then he shipped it to me. So I was just happy that I was able to get this item from the store for a retail price, because this item is selling for a premium price in a secondary market. If you go to Instagram resellers or online resellers like Fashion File, Rebag, The Real, they've been selling this item for like $1,300, $950 US dollars, something like that. I'm just so happy that I was able to get this item for a retail price directly from the store. If I wanted to resell this item right here, even if I only put 50% markup, this will sell fast. Also, if I could share with you, since I love horses, I already have a small stable here of Rodeo Charms. This here are in PM size. So this I bought from Fashion File, and this also came from Fashion File. This one I bought, I think last month. I have an unboxing for this. I bought this from a reseller in eBay, and the most special one came from the store. And the biggest size, which is the MM size in my collection, I got from another online reseller. So the PM size is this 4, and the MM size are the sizes of my collection. The other size, which is the GM size, is much bigger than this, way bigger than this. So there you go, guys. This is my small growing stable right here. Since I was young, I have so much respect for horses. They signify strength, agility, patience, humility, loyalty, you name it, they have it. Since I cannot be an equestrian or own a horse because it's too much expensive as compared to this, I just have them in different colors and put it on my bag, and I'm happy with that. So guys, thank you so much for watching and being with me in this unboxings. I already put my key pouch, the May Eben, on my Speedy B25. So if you like those unboxings that you've seen, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell if you wanted to see future videos from me. So thank you so much. I hope you have a good week ahead and be safe. I'll see you in my next video.